Evolution of accounting. Both merchants and governments have been using accounting for keeping records of transactions since times immemorial. India has a very long tradition of maintaining booksome accounts known as Chopdis. These Chopdis were closed at the end of the year, and new set of books were opened. Lakshmi Pujan Diwali is considered as an auspicious day for worshipping new books, Chopdis, to be opened from next day, Bal Prathipa. The concept of accounting period is firmly rooted in Indian tradition. We do also see mention of financial instruments like Hundis being mentioned in ancient India. Kautilya, also known as Chanakya or Vishnugupta, a well-known statesman, economist, and spiritual guru, wrote famous book Arthashastra in 4th century BC, where he has recognized the importance of accounting. He realized that a proper measurement of economic performance was absolutely essential for efficient allocation of resources. He specified a very broad scope for accounting and considered explanation and prediction as its proper objectives. Kautilya developed bookkeeping rules to record and classify economic data, emphasized the critical role of independent periodic audits, and proposed the establishment of two important but separate offices, the Treasurer and Comptroller Auditor, to increase accountability, specialization, and above all, to reduce the scope for conflicts of interest. Clarity, consistency, and completeness of rules is key to such enforcement. Kautilya believed that such measures were necessary, but not sufficient to eliminate fraudulent accounting. He also emphasized the role of ethics, considering ethical values as the glue which binds society and promotes economic development. The origins of the organized form of accounting that we use today can be traced to Italy. The recognition in record keeping of the fact of the duality of values, that is, the benefit to the entity on the one hand and its sacrifice on the other, can be considered to be the crux of the modern accounting system. Luca Pacioli, 1445 to 1515, is usually recognized as the father of modern accounting, as he published first text on accounting. Though accounting systems were used much prior to Pacioli's book, the system became a standard for merchants, especially in Europe, only after Pacioli structured and organized it in his book. Accounting methodology, which was developed and used in trade and commerce during the Middle Ages, faced its first serious challenge with the coming into being of the modern manufacturing industry as a result of the Industrial Revolution. In today's information technology-intensive environment, we see that accounting is getting increasingly adapted to the new situation and getting integrated into new software packages. Computerized accounting systems have taken place of traditional bookkeeping. They are designed to automate and integrate all the business operations, such as sales, finance, purchase, inventory, and manufacturing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.